Hey guys, it's me, Gvidas. Today I wanted to show you how to create this funny looking 404 error page with responsive images. And let's start. For this project we're gonna need only 4 files. 2 images of the dog and index and style files. So let's insert an index file exclamation mark and press tab. Now Visual Studio generated the template. So let's give it a title of a funny 404, and of course we're gonna need a link to the style sheet. Great. So let's work now with the body, but first of all let's close this Explorer and let's turn on this show preview just to see what is going on. Okay, now we're gonna need 2 sections. Let's create first one section, and it will have 2 divs with the classes of image box, and the second one will have the class of content box. Great, let's copy paste this one, and we have 2 sections. So for this content box we gonna give h2 element, and let's write what the heck just happened. We gonna need p element. Let's give it a class error 404 text, and of course one more element with the text page not found. We can copy paste it to the second section here, and let's change the title. Let's change the text actually. Seems like you have found not existing page. Let's insert one more h3 element, and let's write nice job, and looks great. Let's give ID for the first section. ID first container, and let's insert the image in the image box. Dog1 PNG file. Let's close the image element and let's copy paste to the second image box, dog2. Wow, it's all big images. Don't be afraid, we're gonna fix it. So let's open the style sheet file. Let's close this one, and here let's make it bigger. For the body element display, let's make it grid. Height of 100%. Font family, of course, sans serif. Background light gray. Let's make it light gray, and let's insert of course margin 0 and auto here. Padding top 100 pixels. Nothing changed yet. We can actually now fix the images. So image box here, let's give it width of 48%, max height of 400 pixels, max width of 600 pixels. Okay, background, let's make the same color here, and the image max width 100%, max height 100% as well. Let's give it min height as well, 100 pixels, min width the same. Much better. So let's style this section element. We have 2 of them, do you remember? Display flex for that one. Justify content, let's make it center of course. Align items, Center. What else? What else do we need? Flex wrap, I think. Let's wrap it or not. No. No wrap. Text line. Of course, center. What else? Width. Let's make it 100%. You see? It's much nicer now. Let's keep moving. Grid column 1, grid row, and you will see the magic here. Look at this one behind the other. Yep. Let's also give it a min width of 450 pixels. Height as well. Let's make it 300 pixels actually. What else? Let's give it a background. Background the same color of light gray. Let's move on. Let's style first container. Let's give it a color. RGB 218 31. It's kind of red. Now we're not gonna see it since the second image is covering it. Let's give it opacity, which will be needed for the animation. Let's give it 1. Animation. Fill mode. Animation fill mode forwards. It lets your animation to end in the end and not to restart, to go back to the start actually. And animation fade, let's give it 6 seconds, and it will be linear. Okay, let's style content box. It will have width of 48%. Then it will have a max width of maybe 500 pixels. And the padding of, let's write P and 20. No, it's not working now. Padding on 20 pixels. We can style as well H2 element of the content box. And let's give it the width of 100%. Yep. Let's check this one. Yeah, it works fine. As it should work. Let's style as well error 404 element font size. Let's give it 22 pixels. And let's give it font weight of 600. We should style as well P element and color it black. Yep. Nice. And the last one, keyframes. We called it fade. Do you remember? Fade here. So fade at the beginning and almost the end. Let's give the opacity of 1 and almost in the end and at the end let's give it opacity, of course, of 0. So let's check it. And it works. Let's refresh it. What the heck just happened? Seems like you have found not existing page. Cool. Congratulations, guys. You've made it. Thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and check out my other videos and tutorials on how to create responsive navigation bar, login forms, menus, and so on and so forth. See you soon, and code.